Hi everybody. I hope everybody doing well. Everybody watching the videos very carefully. These videos are we are doing in a very simple manner to understand in a simple way. That is what so that watch these videos and try to understand the concepts. They are very easy. And today what we are going to discuss. Today we are going to learn regarding the packing in the crystals. Packing. What is the meaning of packing generally? What is the meaning of packing here? Packing means in a small volume. Otherwise, in a particular volume, how many number of things you can arrange? More number of things in a particular volume, more number of things you are arranging means that will be good. Here only I can arrange only on four things. Other the same volume I am taking, I can arrange here some 6, some 8, otherwise some 10. Then it is tightly packed. Here the packing efficiency is more. Here packing efficiency, packing fraction is more. It is tightly packed. This is what general way of discussion. Now we are talking about what we are discussing regarding solid states. Okay, no, we are talking about solid state. We are discussing about crystals. With that, crystals. In crystals, what are there? Atoms, ions, or molecules are there. So how tightly we are going to arrange the atoms? How nicely you are arranging the atoms? That means with the minimum space you have to arrange. Then only that packing is a efficient packing. When you are talking about the packing in crystals, this is a 6.6 in your textbook. This is the textbook order. We're talking about packing in crystals. Here one image is there. When you are observing in the market, what will happen? They are arranging in this manner because in this particular volume, they can arrange more apples. That is the efficient way what they can do. So when you are talking about the crystals, we are going to learn about this packing step by step. We are going to learn step by step. Packing means solid means always in a three dimensional, but we are going to start from one dimensional, then two dimensional, then three dimensional. We are going to come. See first here 6.6.1 linear arrangement of atoms, linear arrangement of spheres or atoms, whatever it may be. Here atoms we are going to denote as a spheres, otherwise balls. Spheres in one direction, otherwise one dimensional, both are correct. We know that one dimensional means only one row will be there. Atoms are arranging in a simple simply in a one row. This is what one dimensional arrangement. Here there is no confusion. What is important here is when you are taking any atom, it is in contact. See, pink color atom I am taking, it is in contact with how many other atoms? 1 and 2. So the in one dimensional, what you have to learn, in one dimensional the coordination number, what we have to learn, the one dimensional coordination number will be, they can ask you, coordination number will be 2. So don't ask me here only one side is there, other side nothing is there. You are talking about a solid means keep on it is going like this. You are talking about a solid means keep on it is going like this, so that the coordination number of any atom in one dimensional packing will be 2. So this is what they given here. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with two neighboring spheres on either side. So this is the coordination number. This you have to keep in the mind. What you have to keep in this, you have to keep in the mind. Then you go for two dimensional. Here, when you are talking about two dimensional closed packing, this two dimensional one we are going to study in a two ways. One is AA type, other one is AB type. Okay, two ways. First one you are going to learn about AAA type. What is this AAA type? See this picture. First I will explain simply. It is only, I will talk about only this row. This is like a one dimension only. Otherwise I will talk about only this one. This is also like one dimension only. So that one direction, otherwise one dimensional packing only, I am going to arrange in x direction and y direction. That means horizontally. What is that? Horizontally we are going to explain and we are going to arrange, and others and vertical also we are going to arrange. What I am want to say, one dimensional arrangement, identical atoms in a one row. That one row arrangement, one directional arrangement, one dimensional arrangement, you are arranging in a horizontal way, and the vertical way. Identical atoms like this: horizontal way x direction, vertical way y direction you are arranging, means then you will get a two dimensional close packing in a crystal. Here what I am taking, it is a first row, it is a first row, then it will be a second row, and it will be a third row, like that I consider. When I am arranging first row, after second row, exactly these atoms are, these neighbors are exactly identical in their positions. So that why, so that this arrangement, this one dimensional arrangement, if I am calling this one dimensional arrangement, I am calling as a type, and this is also a type only, and that is also a type only. That is why this two dimensional closed packing is called as A type. Keep on, A will go like that. Here something they discussed, the same thing only in textbook manner what they discussed. You see, linear arrangement of spheres in one direction is repeated in two dimension. One dimensional arrangement, they are repeated in a two dimension, means x direction, y direction, and that is more number of rows can be generated identical to one dimensional arrangement. More number of rows, this is one row, this is one row, this is one row, like that many number of rows they can be arranged in a one dimensional, such that all the spheres are different rows aligned vertically as well as horizontally. Vertically you are seeing also there will be alignment, horizontally you are seeing also, there will be a alignment. Vertically you are seeing also there will be a alignment, that is what the meaning of alignment here. Okay, if we denote the first row as a type, as we discussed, this is the a type, means this is also a type, and this is also a type, and this is also a type. So this overall, the overall arrangement you are termed as a AAA type. See, in this arrangement, each pair is in contact with four neighbors. You see, the same arrangement only here. One atom, this green color atom I am going to observe, means here it is in touch with, it is in contact with how many different? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that the coordination number of any atom in, what is that? Two dimensional AAA type, type close packing, the coordination number is 4, because it is in contact with four different, that means four atoms, four other atoms. That is why coordination number is 4. And in a similar way, this is what first type we studied as AAA type. And what is second type in 2D packing? Second type is AB type. Second type is here AB type. See here in this type, see first I will explain very simply. This is a one type of arrangement. After that there will be depressions. Whenever you are arranging the atoms like this, you will get a depressions, gaps you are going to get. Whatever the gaps you are going to get here, whatever the gaps you are going to get here, in that gaps, these gaps are called depressions. I will show you, this is the gap, these are the gaps, the gaps. In these gaps we are going to arrange this green ball in this gap, this green ball in this gap, this green ball in this gap, like that. So it is a first row, after that second row, after that third row, after that fourth row, after that fifth row, after sixth row. For example, 6 rows are there. First row I arranged, in that gap second row I arranged, again in that gaps third row I arranged, again in that other gaps fourth row I arranged. After arranging all these things, I observed means here what happened, first row and third row are identical. Yeah, observing means here fourth row, second row and fourth row identical. If I am observing means, what is that? First row and third row are identical. So if so, so what we can say? If I termed first row as A and second row as a B means, again third row I have to term as a A, again fourth row I have to term as a B, again fifth row I have to term as a, again sixth row I have to term as a B. So these are identical. You are observing these points means they are exactly identical. See, you are observing from the side means they are exactly below, exactly in a one axis, exactly in a one axis. Not only this two, this also. All these pink color balls you are drawing one line means it will go to their center. Your one center of the green ball, green sphere you are taking means green atom you are taking means one line you are drawing means that will go to their centers. Then you can say they are all in a identical position so that their arrangement is same. So this arrangement is called as AB 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 arrangement. In this also we can say the coordination number. In this also you can say the coordination number. When you are talking about this AB 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 system, in this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 6 of its neighboring spheres. The system is AB, 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 two-dimensional system. Here the coordination number is 6 they are saying. How can you say 6 here? Here, any one atom you are going to observe means here it is in contact with 4 different atoms. See, here 1, here 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. This is the coordination number of an atom in a two-dimensional ABAB packing. This is also called as two-dimensional hexagonal packing. Also called as two-dimensional hexagonal packing. Two-dimensional hexagonal packing. Why? It is like it is a hexagonal. It is a 6 sides are there. So you can say as a two-dimensional hexagonal packing. In a similar way, what you can say in a similar way, this also A type you can say as a, see 1 2 3 4 is there, no, this also you can say two-dimensional square packing. You can also termed as two-dimensional square packing. This is the introduction, this is the starting, this is the basic explanation for the packing of crystals. What are they here? What are there here? One dimensional and two dimensional and three dimensional we are going to study in a next video. That will be little bit view is required. View is required. We are going to discuss in a next video regarding the three-dimensional packing in the crystal systems. Okay, thank you.